Good morning, ma'am, and good day to everyone. I am Rita Tano Katubig from Group 2, and our research title is The Effect of Paired Ideas Sharing Strategy on the Communication Skills of Second Year College Students at Asian College of Technology. For my short introduction, I will share how we created our research, my contributions, and my preparation for the proposal defense. First, how did we create our research? Our research started when we observed that some college students find it difficult to express their ideas confidently during class discussions. We noticed that many students hesitate to speak in front of others, even if they have a good ideas. Because of this, we looked for a strategy that could help improve communication skills in a simple and effective way. That's when we chose paired idea sharing strategy, since it allows students to share ideas with a partner first before speaking in front of the class. We believe that this method could help reduce nervousness and improve confidence in communication. Next, my contributions to the study. As a member of the group, I helped in developing the research title and refining the statement of the problem. I also participated in gathering related studies and organizing ideas for chapter 1. Additionally, I helped in editing our research content and sharing ideas on how the paired idea sharing strategy can improve students' communication skills. I also actively participated in group discussions and decision making. Lastly, my thoughts and preparations for the upcoming proposal defense. For the proposal defense, I am preparing by reviewing our research carefully, especially the purpose of the study and our methodology. I am also practicing how to explain our research clearly and confidently. I believe that teamwork, preparation, and understanding our topic will help us successfully defend our proposal. I am a bit nervous, but I'm also excited because this is a good opportunity to learn and improve our research skills. That's all. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.